All right, this is in your 6-1 packet. This is your practice. We did the packet on Friday. So today we're going to do the practice. I'm going to go through and do one example for each one, and then you'll go through and finish it. So let's see. Number 1, we need to determine if it's arithmetic sequence, and if it is, what's the common difference. So 4 plus 3 gets me to 7, plus 2 plus 3. Well, an arithmetic sequence means I add the same thing over and over. So no, this is not. So go through 6 and you'll decide yes or no if it is. Number 7, we're just going to finish the sequence. These are sequences. If you can't remember how to get, you take term 2 minus term 1. So I would say 7 minus 3 is 4. So I'm going to add 4 every time. 15 plus 4 is 19. Plus 4 is 23. Plus 4 is 27. So you'll do that for 8, 9, and 10. For number 11 through 14, we need our formula. A1 plus n minus 1 times d. All right, these are not in order. A1 is 6, so 6 plus n, it's over here at the end, 12 minus 1 times 3. And so if you type that in your calculator, you would get 39. Be sure to notice that the D's and the N's are not in the order they come in the formula, and be sure to use the negatives. Flip over to the next page. On this page, we're doing the same thing. A1 plus n minus 1 times d. But I'm going to have to figure out what these things are. A1 is my first term. My n, well, it just says it's 17. And my d, my common difference, 8 plus 5. So it's a positive 5. So 8 plus 17 minus 1 times 5. Type that straight in your calculator, and you will get an 88. Be sure if your d is negative, if you subtract something over and over, like in this, minus 2, your d is going to equal a negative 2. So do 16, 17, and 18. And then clearly your math teacher can't count because we're at 18 again. Oh, okay. I'm going to make these into points. My first term is a 7. My second term is a 13. My third term is a 19. My fourth term is a 25. And my fifth term, well, I got to figure it out. So 7, let's see, if I just say 13 minus 7 is a 6. So I'm adding 6. So 25 plus 6 is 31. All right, now I have to graph it. Over 1, up 7. Over 2, and these will kind of be approximate. They're not going to be perfect. Over 3, 19, but they will make a straight line-ish. 5 and 31, and I graph it. So I need you to do that for 19 and 20. Thank you.